I recently completed training with Emma Van Heusen on her Facebook Accelerator program, which was amazing. I'd highly recommend it. I even got a badge, not one of those little pin-on ones, but a digital badge. I'm happy with that. Having worked on Facebook ads for a while already, I'd seen some reasonable results, but realised there was a lot I could do to improve my ad performance and increase the return on investment for my clients. So sought out Emma after hearing a few recommendations, and she didn't disappoint. She gave in-depth walkthroughs of all that's possible within Facebook Business Manager and shared many of her ninja tricks along the way. I would highly recommend Emma's course if you're looking to learn Facebook ads, or if you just want to know whether they're suitable for your business. Comment below or send me an email. It was a real eye-opener seeing how Emma A/B tests everything, not just the creative, but audiences as well. She assumes nothing and keeps tweaking the ads depending on performance of different ads and audiences. So if you're looking to learn how to run Facebook ad campaigns, I'd highly recommend signing up for one of Emma's courses.